Question number 3. Two forces act along a straight line on an object that is initially at rest. Initially at rest, it's not permanently at rest. Okay. One force is constant. Second force is in the opposite direction and proportional to the velocity of the object. Which means what? The moment it gains a velocity over here, okay, so this will also act simultaneously, which is proportional to the velocity. What is correct about the motion of the object? So what happens here? When initially this force is 0, this will have a constant force. The object starts to move like this over here. Right? So this is a constant force. It means what? Definitely the velocity now begins with it, and after that there is a negative force which is acting over here. So as a result of it, the velocity initially starts increasing, and after some time this constant force and velocity force will become equal to each other. When they become equal to each other, what happens? It will now move with a constant velocity, right? So therefore the acceleration increases from a 0 to a maximum. No, this does not happen. The reason is because constant force is there and there is a varying force which is in the opposite direction. It does not increase. So this is wrong. The acceleration increases from 0 to a maximum and then decreases. No. Okay. So this also does not happen because you see the force is going to be a constant over here. So it does not happen something like this. Then the velocity increases from a 0 to a maximum. This is what exactly happens over here. So C is the right option.